Hello students, welcome to MTech classes. Today we are going to discuss some horse question, that is higher order thinking skills questions from trigonometric identities. For students usually think that these horse questions are quite long to solve. Okay, so let me tell you, you just need to have some tricks to solve it. Okay, let us see some questions. So let us go for the first question, that is if x equals to a sec theta plus b tan theta and y equals to a tan theta plus b sec theta, then prove that x square minus y square equals to a square minus b square. Okay, so students, you just need to focus on the data that is given to you. Okay, you don't need to think a lot about this. So first of all, you have given x, you are given with y. You need to find x square and y square. Okay, so first find out x square. What will be x square? That is a sec theta plus b tan theta whole square. Okay, so what are we getting here? It is a square sec square theta plus square theta plus AB, sorry, it is 2AB sec theta tan theta. This is the result that you are going to get. Okay, then we need to find y square. Find y square, that is a tan theta plus b sec theta whole square. So what are we going to get here? A square tan square theta plus b square sec square theta. Again you are going to get here 2ab sec theta and tan theta. Okay, now students, what we need to get? It is x square minus y square. So let us subtract it. So this is minus minus minus. Okay, so what are we getting here? X square minus y square. Now see here students, this is 2ab sec theta tan theta, this is also 2ab sec theta tan theta. So if you subtract it, this will be cancelled out. Okay, now see here, what is common here? It is a square. So if you take out a square common, you will get sec square theta minus tan square theta. Okay, again see here, what is common here? It is b square common here. So if you take out b square, you will get tan square theta minus sec square theta. Okay, so students, see here, sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. So if take up minus common here, so we will get here a square sec square theta minus tan square theta minus b square sec square theta minus tan square theta. Now from this identity, sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. So this is also equals to 1. This is also equals to 1. So what you are getting? A square minus b square. So this is LHS equals to RHS. So this, in this simple manner you can solve it. Okay, and these are some probable questions for your exam point of view also. Okay, so we'll go for the next question. Now students, come to the second question. It is given a cube equals to cosec theta minus sin theta and b cube equals to sec theta minus cos theta, and prove that a square b square plus whole into a square plus b square equals to 1. Now see here, here you have a cube, b cube, but here you need to get a square. So first of all, we need to find what is a square and b square, and then we can put it over here and find the answer. So first of all, see, this is cosec theta minus sin theta. Okay, now let us convert it into sin theta. So what will we get here? 1 by sin theta minus sin theta. That we are going to get 1 minus sin square theta divided by sin theta, which is nothing but cos square theta divided by sin theta. So this is a cube. Okay, so I can write it here that a cube equals to cos square theta divided by sin theta. Okay, now what is a then? A will be equals to cos square theta divided by sin theta to the power 1 by 3. Okay, but we need to find a square. So what would be a square? That is equals to cos square theta divided by sin theta to the power 1 by 3. Then you will take the square. So you will get cos square theta divided by sin theta to the power 2 by 3. Again, this powers will be multiplied. What will you get? A square equals to cos to the power 2 into 2 would be equals to 4. 4 by 3 theta divided by sin to the power 2 by 3 theta. Okay, so you are getting this value for a square. Now let us write here. So a square equals to cos to the power 4 by 3 theta divided by sin to the power 2 by 3 theta. Now see here, for b it is in the similar order. So what will you get? B square, it will be equal to sin to the power 4 by 3 theta divided by cos to the power 2 by 3 theta. This is what you are going to get for a square and b square. Now put the values. A square b square whole into a square plus b square. Okay, now see, cos to the power 4 by 3 theta divided by sin to the power 2 by 3 theta into sin to the power 4 by 3 theta divided by cos to the power 2 by 3 theta whole into a square plus b square. Now put the values. Cos to the power 4 by 3 theta divided by sin to the power 2 by 3 theta plus sin to the power 4 by 3 theta divided by cos to the power 2 by 3 theta. This is what you need to get. Now see here, this cos to the power 2 by 3 theta, this will be cancelled out. So what do we get here? The power will be subtracted. Cos to the power 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3 theta into sin to the power 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3 theta. This is what you are getting here. If you take the LCM, what will you get? Sin to the power 2 by 3 theta into cos to the power 2 by 3 theta. Now see, cos to the power 4 by 3 theta into cos to the power 2 by 3 theta. Okay, the power will be added. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So you will get here cos to the power 6 by 3 theta. Also you are going to get sin to the power 6 by 3 theta. Okay, now see what you are going to get. 4 by 4 minus 2, you will get cos to the power 2 by 3 theta, sin to the power 2 by 3 theta into, here in the denominator part you are getting sin to the power 2 by 3 theta into cos to the power 2 by 3 theta. Now see here, this 3 and 6 will be cancelled out. You are going to get cos square theta. Similarly, this will be cancelled out. You will get sin square theta. As friends see, this cos to the power 2 by theta, this will be cancelled out. These two are cancelled out, and what is left? It is cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is nothing but equals to 1. This is the answer. Solved. Okay. So we'll go for another two questions. Now students, see question number 3. It is given if sin theta plus cos theta equals to x, then prove that sin to the power 6 theta cos to the power 6 theta equals to this much. Okay. Now students are saying, "Arey, kya aa gaya question?" Okay. Now let us solve it. See here we need to get x square. You have x equals to sin theta plus cos theta. Okay. Now what is x square? It is sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. See here, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now this sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So what are you getting? X square equals to 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta. Okay, so I can write 2 sin theta into cos theta, it will be equal to x square minus 1. and sin theta into cos theta is equals to x square minus 1 divided by 2. This is what you need to put in these values, okay, while solving this. So let us write it here first. So we are getting sin theta into cos theta equals to x square minus 1 divided by 2. Okay. Now, as I have already told you, while solving this trigonometric identities, you need trigonometric identities as well as algebraic identities. Now see, the question is in the form sin to the power 6 theta into cos to the power 6 theta. I can write it as sin square theta whole cube plus cos square theta whole cube. Now friends, this is in the form of a cube plus b cube. Now a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b whole into a square minus ab plus b square, or else I can write it as a square plus b square minus ab. Okay. So when we are going to put this values, what will you get? See, a plus b, that means sin square theta plus cos square theta whole into a square, that means sin square theta whole square plus b square, that is cos square theta whole square minus ab, that is sin square theta into cos square theta. Okay. Now again, this value is 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now, see here. This is in the form of a square plus b square. And what is a square plus b square? It is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay. So, if I am going to put it here, a plus b whole square, you will get sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2ab for these values. That means 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. Again you have sin square theta into cos square theta. Okay. So for this value you are getting up to this, then minus sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay. Now again sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So you are getting 1 square minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. So you will get here 3 sin square theta into cos square theta. Okay. Now this can be written as 1 minus 3 sin theta into cos theta whole square. Okay, we have got up to this. Now we have got this value sin theta into cos theta equal to x square minus 1 by 2, which we are going to put it here. What will you get? 1 minus 3 x square minus 1 divided by 2 whole square. Now see here, you need to get x square minus 1 whole square. So we have got it here. So I can write it as 1 minus 3 x square minus 1 whole square divided by 2 square is 4. You just need to take the LCM. Take the LCM, what will you get? 4 minus 3 whole into x square minus 1 whole square. This is the answer. Okay. So these questions are not difficult. You just need to find the trick how to solve it. Okay. Let us go for the last question. So students, let us go to the last question. It is given m is this one, n is this one. You need to find m plus n to the power 2 by 3 and m minus n to the power 2 by 3. If you are going to add it, you are going to get this value. Okay. So in the first step, let us m plus n, let us add it. Okay, what will you get? M plus n. You are getting a cos cube theta plus 3a cos theta sin square theta plus a sin cube theta plus 3a cos square theta sin theta. Okay. Students, you can see a is common in each term. So let us take out a common first. You have taken out a common. Okay. Next, see here, let us make an arrangement. Cos cube theta, then bring this one, plus 3 cos square theta sin theta, plus, you can write this one, 3 cos theta sin square theta, plus lastly sin cube theta. Students, see here, it is in the form a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, which is nothing but the formula for a plus b whole cube. So I can write it here as a whole into cos theta plus sin theta whole cube. Okay, but I need to get m plus n to the power 2 by 3. So what is m plus n to the power 2 by 3? You'll get here a to the power 2 by 3 whole into cos theta plus sin theta 3 into 2 by 3. Okay, this 3 is cancelled out. What are we getting? M plus n to the power 2 by 3 is equals to a to the power 2 by 3 whole into cos theta plus sin theta whole square. Okay, you have got one value. Let us write it here. M plus n to the power 2 by 3, that is a to the power 2 by 3 cos theta plus sin theta whole square. Okay, this is what we have got. Now let us find m minus n. Okay, so what are you going to get here? Minus m minus n. Okay, so a cos cube theta plus 3a cos theta sin square theta minus a sin cube theta minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. Okay, now again students, as I have told you, a is common in each term. Let us take it out. A is taken out. You have cos cube theta, make a rearrangement. So let us take it here, minus 3a cos square theta sin square theta plus, take this one, 3 cos theta sin square theta minus sin cube theta. Now it is in the form, see here, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, which is nothing but the formula for a minus b whole cube. So you can write it here as a whole into cos theta minus sin theta whole cube. Okay, we need m minus n to the power 2 by 3. We'll get here a to the power 2 by 3 whole into cos theta minus sin theta 3 into 2 by 3. Okay, so what are you getting? A to the power 2 by 3 into cos theta minus sin theta whole square. Okay, so let us write here okay. Now what you need to find out? M plus n to the power 2 by 3 plus m minus n whole to the power 2 by 3. Now students, if I am going to add this, see here, a to the power 2 by 3 is common. So if I take out a to the power 2 by 3, what will you have? Cos theta plus sin theta whole square plus cos theta minus sin theta whole square. Okay, now a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, it is 2 whole into a square plus b square. This is the algebraic identity. Now let us put it here. What are you going to get? A to the power 2 by 3 a square, that is, sorry, first of all 2 is multiplied, a square, that is cos square theta plus b square, that is sin square theta. Now see, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So what this is equals to 1. So what is left? 2a to the power 2 by 3, which is nothing but your RHS. So this is proved. So students, Hawks questions are not difficult. You just need to put some trick to find out the answer. And students, please like, share and subscribe the video. This is all for today. Thank you.